Let's consider an example of how to work with packaging in the Tatmeen module. It is important to note that only previously validated products can be used for packaging operations. Next, we will review the module interface. We have access to packaging and unpacking options. There is an input field for packaging. If a package does not exist, we can create it via the portal. In this case, I am using a previously created package and unchecking the option that indicates the package was created on the portal. There is also an input area for previously validated products. Additionally, there is a section for viewing the package in successful packaging operations. There is a preliminary product input area. To start the process, we enter the package code and press the Set button to activate it. After a successful operation, the entered package appears in this area where we can see its status and other related information. Next, we proceed to step 2, where we enter previously validated products. In this section, the entered products from step 2 are displayed. We can see the current status of the product, indicating that it is ready for the packaging process. We then click Pack. After a successful operation, we can see that the product has been packaged. If we have made a mistake and packaged something incorrectly, we can unpack it. To do this, we switch to the unpacking option and select the product that needs to be reversed. After selecting the product, the Unpack button becomes available. The process completes successfully, and the product is removed from the package. This completes the process of extracting a product from a package. In this example, we demonstrated how to package a product and how to remove it from a package.